What's up, squad? Lovely to see you as always. We got a super exciting one today. Probably my most made recipe of all time. One of my favorites, Potatas Bravas. It's a Spanish tapa dish that I just love. Enough blabbing on, Andy. Let's cook. All right, first things first, let's kick on with the potatoes. So before the camera was rolling, I boiled off these potatoes until they were fork soft. So get these onto a pan. You're gonna wanna make sure that you have some sort of parchment paper down so it doesn't stick. Pour those onto the pan themselves. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm actually going to just take a spatula, a cup, whatever you have, and crush those potatoes flat. Okay, we smashed the potatoes, salt, olive oil into a ripping hot oven for about 40 minutes. All right, potatoes are in the oven. Next, we're gonna be making this delicious, super smoky tomato sauce. So what you're gonna wanna do here is chop up a couple cloves of garlic, a half an onion, a bit of butter, olive oil, some fresh basil, tomato paste, crushed tomatoes, a couple bay leaves. Let that simmer away in a pot, and it gets so unbelievably delicious. Taste as you go, season if needed, a little bit of lemon here, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. Trust your palate. Potatoes are in the oven, they're looking crispy AF. Now let's kick on with this lemon garlic aioli. Grab some store-bought mayo into a bowl, a little bit of garlic, finely minced, and then squeeze in some lemon juice. Easy peasy. All right, we're ripping through this one. So the potatoes are beautifully crispy. Like, look at that. These are just so good. So what we're gonna do is put all of that directly into a bowl. And then what we're gonna actually do is just toss on that really smoky tomato sauce. It's really lovely. Just kind of make sure you're not too aggressive with the potatoes or they'll fall apart. And then slowly scoop in. Go slowly here, maybe add in half the sauce, and then we can always adjust. So just fold gently, go from the outside. All right, we are done. I love this dish. This is perfect, like, you having people over for happy hour, make this, no one's gonna be upset. Without further ado, I need to taste this thing. Smoky, creamy, fatty, crunchy, delicious.